The link between protein and good nutrition. Nutrition is something everyone should think about. It's important to know about the 3 macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and how they must be balanced to maintain good health. Are any of these macronutrients more important than the others? Does one need more attention than the other 2? If so, which is the best way to get the nutrition you need in the proper balance and in the right amounts? Your personal needs. No 2 people are exactly alike, and this includes nutritional needs. Health, body type, and medications will all determine the kind of nutrition you will need. There are some health conditions, metabolic conditions especially, that you will need to discuss with a physician or nutritionist, to help you determine a healthy diet for you. Regardless of condition, however, everyone needs a healthy diet. The body needs proper nutrition to function well. Other factors to consider when thinking about nutritional needs are body mass and level of exercise. There are differing needs for different levels of health, strength, and performance. A man who stands well over 6 feet tall and is an avid bodybuilder will naturally need more calories than a woman who is barely over 5 feet tall who exercises only occasionally. They need the same nutrients, but in differing amounts. Height, weight, amount of exercise, and general health are all important considerations when it comes to planning how much food is enough. Calories are the first units to be counted. This represents the sheer amount of food you're eating. Too many calories are retained as fat. Too few calories and your body will not have the energy to get through the day. A drastic reduction of calories does not mean you'll just shed pounds like water. It's much healthier to reduce the consumption of calories slowly while raising your activity level to create a slow and steady, and more maintainable, loss of weight. The power of protein. All macronutrients are important, but protein is a powerful substance that every cell of your body needs. It also plays a role in every function of the human body. Through an involved, complex process, proteins are digested and turned into a number of amino acids. These amino acids allow certain chemical reactions that create still more amino acids, as well as hormones and enzymes that regulate a number of the body's processes. Your body needs a certain amount of protein every day, because these amino acids are important, and they cannot be stored in the body. A lack of protein will cause your body to feel unusually hungry, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Protein comprises some very important components of your bloodstream, as well. Red blood cells are made entirely of protein, as are the antibodies upon which your immune system relies. Protein also helps you maintain your blood pressure and the pH balance in your blood. Of course, protein also builds up your lean muscle mass, which is why bodybuilders love it so. Connective tissue, your bone matrix and the balance of fluid in your body to avoid dehydration are all dependent upon the protein you eat. Where can protein be found? All protein comes from either plant or animal sources, even the protein in supplements. Proteins from animal-based sources are complete proteins. These do not only include meat and poultry, but do include eggs and dairy products. Plant proteins lack some of the amino acids in animal-based proteins, making them incomplete. Soy protein is the only complete plant-based source, and is a common substance for protein supplements. Everyone knows meat is an excellent source of protein, but that is not the only place to get the protein you need. Many people avoid meat for a number of different reasons, but that doesn't mean they have to lose out on protein. Both plant-based sources and supplements are available to fill in the gap. Even if you are not trying to lose weight, picking lean sources of protein is best for your health, because foods that are too fatty can lead to heart disease and other serious medical problems. Meats, fish, dairy, and vegetables all supply important protein, but sometimes it's not enough. This is where supplements can come in, especially for those who don't have time to sit down and eat a prepared meal on a daily basis. Protein supplements. Protein supplements come in those big containers full of powder, but that's not all there is in the world of protein supplements. Those work well, but are not to everyone's taste. How about shakes or smoothies? Enhanced water? Pudding? Even the tiny drinks called protein shots can provide the protein you need to keep strong and healthy. One of these protein shots, ProfectR, made by Protica, is less than 3 fluid ounces, but contains 25 grams of protein. Some supplements that are twice as large don't provide as much protein. Good nutrition, a daily choice. You might be in the best of health, but maybe you're just too busy to eat a full meal at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Or it could just be easier to grab fast food than pack a lunch or prepare a meal. Neither patronizing the drive-through windows nor skipping meals are good for your health, and either will catch up with you in the long run. The best thing to do is to have few fried foods, which are full of fats, and have a little more protein. A good way to go about that is to have a ProfectR shot at some point in your busy day. They are small and quick to drink, but give you extra protein, which will not only give you extra energy, but also take the edge off your hunger. Protein allows you to feel fuller for a longer period of time. If you feel full, that lessens the desire for junk food that can lead to increased weight and reduced energy. ProfectR is also heat stable, which means you don't have to keep it refrigerated. Just leave them in the car and go about your business. They'll be ready for you when you come back.